What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Zamir from XCC Tunes. In this video, I'm gonna make a beat using AI. I'm not gonna be using AI for the whole song, but I'm gonna see whether AI is able to help me make a beat. So this is the AI that I will be using. It is from Output. It's called Co-Producer. And all you have to do is just type in the prompt and it's gonna help you create that kind of sounds, right? So it's gonna give us 4 new packs. So today I'm kind of feel I'll make a beat in the style of lo-fi a little bit. So let's go ahead and get started. The first one is I'm gonna just try to get a nylon string, nylon guitar, maybe 80 BPM strumming melody, and with melody. Let's see whether we can get something that we can use for this beat. Okay, it's kind of quick actually, so I got 4 demos right now. So I'm gonna hit play. Let's see. I like that. Okay. That sounds dope as well. Alright, I'm gonna use this one. So let's download this guy. So it's gonna give me a couple of tracks. I believe, if I'm not wrong, it's gonna give me a multi-track. And let's see if the multi-track is usable for any of our project here. So I'm gonna set the tempo to 80. Right, downloading now. It's about 127 megabytes. Kind of huge. I'm not sure what sample rate they use. So let's see once got this downloaded. Okay, I'm gonna just extract this guy. Okay, so this is a sample pack, nylon guitar. What? Okay, I don't know why there's a lot of other sounds here. What? I think it downloaded the whole pack. Now where's that? Nope. Yeah. Okay, this is the one. Okay, I got it now. So I don't know what chord they played. Okay, I can try to figure it out using my ear. However, we are using Cubase, so there is a chord track. And let's see if we can get it detect the correct chord. So it's A minor, okay, G, E minor, F. Yeah, it's pretty good chord progression. So I'm gonna actually use this one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just cut this guy like so. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate this one. And this one right here, I'm gonna reverse this one. Yeah, I like that. So let's do same thing here. So let's layer them. I'm gonna use On the Road. Yeah, that's the right one. So let me record this. 2, 3, 4. Oops, I missed it. Let's do it again. Okay, I'm gonna remove this lower note here. I think I don't want this. Let's just play without the lower note. Okay, I didn't quantize this. I want to let it be a bit more laid back because this is a lo-fi beat. So that's good. Let me add one more sound here. Okay, I have this piano added and I'm gonna use that as a higher melody, right? I like that. Cool, I like that. So I'm gonna add a few more sound now. Let's see what we have from this pack here. Oh, I like that. Okay, it's using a different chord progression now. Maybe I can use this for the first chord, which is the A minor. Okay. Okay, wait. I think I know what to do. This is not the right chord, so I'm gonna remove this one. Okay, so I'm just gonna use this one. If you notice, I've already cut the transient for this chord. I just want it to play the ringing. Yeah, I like that. So let's find more samples and see what we can get. No, I don't like that. I like that. The first chord is C sus. No, I don't want that. G sus. No. Okay, C sus. Maybe I can change it to A sus. Yeah, let's see. So now I'm gonna cut this one and I'm gonna transpose it up to transpose it down to three semitones. Yeah. All right. Okay, I like that. So now let's find some more sounds here. Okay, I'm gonna cut this one. That sounds really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and find if there's any drum samples that I can use. So let's look for drum, lo-fi drum, 80 BPM. Let's see what we can get. Okay, I got it. So let's see whether this drum matches the vibe that we're looking for. Okay, so there's one thing I noticed that I really like the kick, the way the kick sounds, really the kind of vibe that I was looking for. So I'm gonna use the kick. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna have to chop this guy a little bit. Here, what it is. Okay, this is a hi-hat. I want to use the hi-hat, so I'm gonna drop it down. And and this one too, and the kick. Okay, this is the rim shot. I like the rim shot as well. I'm gonna cut this guy. This is for rim shot. I'm gonna drop it down. Okay, so I've managed to chop some of these. This is very useful for this kind of thing. So now, let's see. Okay, I like that. I like that pattern. Yeah. Let's cut this one. I'm gonna use the track version now. Okay. Okay, this one, the snare should be right here. So let's copy them and add another kick here and here as well. And this one, I'm gonna copy all of it, and I'm gonna add this one like so. So now let's listen to it. Oh, sweet. I like that. Okay, this is perfect. So I'm gonna add a bass. So I'm gonna go and find a bass track. This one, I'm gonna change this to G, yeah. So I'm gonna use this one for the verse, and maybe this one, no, the guitar. Yeah, the guitar is only gonna come for the chorus. So this would be the verse. So I'm gonna delete this one. Okay, I want the bass to come from here. I think I want to remove this one as well for the verse. This section here. Let's try to transpose this up 12 semitones and let's see how it sounds. So now we're gonna have this. So there you have it, a beat that I just made using some of the samples made by AI. So let's hear it. I think I really like the way the beats sound now. The sample from the AI sounds really good, high quality samples. So this beat was made 50% from the samples that I got from AI and 50% from my creative ideas, right? I used the chord progression, but I played a additional melody, this one here, for the electric piano, and then I add counter melody as well, which is this one for the piano, and I add the bass line. So where's the bass? Yeah, this is the bass. So the bass is here. So the chord progression and also the drum is from AI, but I rearrange the drum patterns to make it sound suitable for this beat. So output makes really high quality sound, and I don't know whether it's going to be free for the rest of our life or it's going to be a paid version. So as a music composer producer, I don't feel intimidated by AI. I feel like it's one of the tools that I can use to make beat or compose music faster than before. So previously we had sample library, right? Kontakt library and so on. Now we can use AI to create the kind of sound that we want. But if you notice, it didn't give me all the sound that I was looking for, only a bits and pieces. I use a couple of my own original compositions, but the rest of it is from AI. So AI generated idea. So AI is not going to take over our job. However, we should learn how to use AI to make our job easy, right? So I think AI is not going to replace us, not at all. But if you're smart enough, you know how to use AI in a more productive way. So the one thing that you guys have to remember is to always take the samples and make it your own. So flip the sample, chop it, manipulate it in a way that it's going to sound original to you. So I think I'm going to be using more AI. Don't tell my clients, right? Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, smash the like button, and share this video to everybody. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.